Despite all the training, nothing can prepare astronauts for the experience of zero gravity.
In a quarter of a You're still strapped into your seat, but you can tell you're already floating in it, and then stuff starts floating in the cabin. And then your brain says, whoa, nobody told me about this. What's this about?
Take a look at this.
One day after what had seemed a perfect launch, a team inspecting video footage discovered that a piece of foam cladding from the main fuel tank had come loose and hit the shuttle during liftoff.
Whoa. Can you highlight it?
Yeah, no problem.
This was nothing new.
The foam has to cover irregular areas on the surface of this external tank. It's a huge amount of acreage. I mean, you're covering hundreds and hundreds of square feet or square meters. The foam doesn't stick perfectly. And so every flight, literally every flight of the shuttle, some of it comes off.
It was, in NASA speak, an in-family problem.
Yeah.
They called it popcorning, but this chunk was bigger than normal, the size of a 50-centimeter TV screen. It was clear from the video that the foam had hit the orbiter's left wing, but there had been foam hits before. No one was unduly worried.
It was probably a day or not more than 2 days after we launched, and I had seen some video. At the time, I didn't know what it was. I didn't know if it was foam. I didn't know if it had impacted the wing. I knew that the engineering teams were off looking at it to determine whether it was something that we needed to be or should be concerned about.